the tablet. I won't. Can I watch cartoons with you? Nope. But I'll give you an apple in exchange. Ugh, I don't need your apple.